Hi everyone, today we're at the Joseph Cheaney and Sons sample sale, an exciting event for everyone who loves high-quality British footwear. Joseph Cheaney and Sons is a heritage British shoemaker, founded in 1886, known for their exceptional craftsmanship. Their shoes are 100% made in England and even hold a Royal Warrant. Normally, their shoes range from £400 to £800. That's around 16,000 to 32,000 New Taiwan dollars. They have different collections, each with varying levels of craftsmanship and materials. The men's section is well stocked, with plenty of styles and sizes available. Here's a look at the price list. For women, the selection is smaller, but the prices are more affordable. Definitely worth checking out. Besides shoes, they also have belts and socks on sale, so that's something for everyone. This sale runs from March 18th to 23rd, 2025. If you're in town, don't miss out. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Good Days in London. See you next time. Bye bye.